Today we're going to take a look at garage door openers from the 1970s, 80s, and 1990s, similar to this operator here. And we're going to show you what information you need to get in order to find replacement remotes, keypads, or even replacing the radio equipment itself. And by the way, this Genie garage door opener was installed around 1976 and it's still going strong. Let's get to it. So we receive a number of emails from people looking for replacement remotes for older garage door openers that are maybe 30 or 40 years old. And in order for us to help you find that remote or keypad that you're looking for, we need to find the information from your existing radio equipment for that garage door opener. The older garage door openers, like this older Rainer opener, which is about 30 some years old, the radio equipment is going to be attached to the outside of the operator. And so we're going to want to get the information off of that in order to determine if something is available for your operator. Another way to find information is from the remote itself. So we like to use our phone because we can take pictures of everything and then look back on them at the different information that we took a picture of. And so what we suggest is take a picture of the back of your remote, and it will have a manufacturer and a model number on the back. This will help determine if replacement remote's available or a keypad if that's what you're looking for. Now a lot of times the older remotes, the information gets worn off over the years, so it might not be able to read it. So in that case, we like to also get the information from the radio receiver itself, which you find mounted on the back of your older operator. So before you do anything with that, we like to take the phone, take a picture of the receiver mounted on the opener first. That just gives us an overall look at what type of operator you have, and a lot of times it'll actually have the manufacturer on the front of the receiver here. So that gives us a clue of what we're looking at. So once you take a picture of that, then you can go up to the back of your operator on your ladder. I would suggest unplugging the opener first. That just makes sure that no one's going to run it while you're up there. And then take your screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws that are holding the radio receiver to the back of the operator. And then once you remove it, you can turn it over, and like this one is a linear, but if you turn it over on the back, all the information is going to be back here with the manufacturer, the model number, and the part number for this radio receiver. So at that point, I would take my camera on my phone again and take a picture of that. Now, if you don't have your phone with you or whatever, just write down as much information as you can that you find on the receiver. So after you get that information, you can email us at youtube@garagedoorzone.com. You can include the pictures that you took, or if you didn't take pictures, just provide all the information that you've written down from the remote or the radio receiver and what you're looking for. Are you looking for a replacement remote or a keypad? Then include that in the email, and we can get back to you pretty quickly and let you know if something is available. If your radio equipment has been discontinued and there are no replacements available, then the other option is to install new radio equipment to your older opener, so you can continue to use it hopefully for another 10 or 20 years. There are 4 options that we'll go over real quickly here that are easy to install and program and are compatible with the older operators. The first one's the multi-code that's mounted on the back of this operator, and the second one is the linear Delta 3 radio receiver. This is an older technology, and these have been used with these older operators for the past 30 plus years, and they work well, have good range, and they're easy to program. Now the other 2 radio receivers that are available that we offer are the linear megacode radio receiver, and it plugs into an outlet, has a built-in transformer, and there's 2 wires that get connected from this receiver to the back of your operator. And the other one is the LiftMaster 365, and it also plugs into an outlet with 2 wires that come off of this and get connected to the back of the operator. These use a little bit newer technology and easy to program remotes, and keypads using the Learn button on the radio receiver. So if you want to replace all of your radio equipment with remotes and keypads, any 4 of these that we offer would be available to do so. Links to all the radio receivers, remotes, and keypads that we've discussed in this video are in the description below. If you want help in finding a remote or keypad or new radio equipment for your garage door opener, then again you can email us at youtube@garagedoorZone.com. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.